Third mailbox of the day, guys. Third one. I'm gonna have to restock the mailbox locks, although maybe I'll just take these home and cut keys to them. I could probably cut a key to this. I don't know. The last one I checked, I gotta figure out the depth of my machine, because I only have 4 depths and there's definitely a number 5, so that's probably why it's not cutting it right. So yeah, for now I'll just keep swapping them out until I figure that out. They're pretty easy to swap out. Do it one-handed. You do want to, if you're going to drill them, don't drill this because you want to reuse it. The new ones don't always come with the tailpiece. So this is a USPS lock. And there's no tailpiece in it. You just use the one that's already here. Go from the bottom, put it in, because that's how the other one was, obviously, but if I put it the other way, it'll sometimes hit this piece. This one's pretty far off, but that's the reason why you normally do them opposite of the way the lock opens. That's it. Tighten that up. You want to hold here. Okay, basically, I'm gonna pause, but you want to hold this. That way, you don't break the lock when you're tightening it up. So. Well, I got here, I think, 4 minutes ago. I'm done. I told her, I'll let her know when it's done and she can come down. Hey, I'm all done. Good timing. But yeah, it's all done.
Oh, nice. I've been able to get in my mailbox since I moved in.
I was gonna say, I saw the temp or the new moving thing.
Yeah. I'm like, I moved in July. It's taking me a couple months.
Oh wow. There you go.
Awesome.
Cool.